In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot sequences, a fantastic tool to automate your sales outreach. If you're looking to streamline your sales communication, this is the go-to guide you've been searching for. Let's get started. First, let's head over to HubSpot. Open up your preferred web browser and log into your HubSpot account. If you're unfamiliar, HubSpot is a comprehensive platform that helps you manage everything from marketing to sales activities. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, the control center for all your HubSpot activities. Next, direct your attention to the search bar found at the top of the page. This search bar is your navigation tool. So, go ahead and click on it. It's designed to help you quickly locate different features or content within HubSpot. Now, type in sequences and hit enter. The page may take a moment to load, but what you'll find is a concentrated section dedicated to sequences. HubSpot Sequences is an essential tool that allows you to schedule and automate email follow-ups and tasks. It's an incredible way to keep your leads engaged without manually sending each email. After you click on Sequences, you'll be taken to the Sequences dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page where you can manage your existing sequences or track their performance. But what we're really here for is creating something new, so look for the button that says Create a Sequence and give it a click. This brings us to the sequence creation page, where you can start to really get creative. You have a few options here. You can create a dynamic sequence, which allows you to set specific triggers and conditions that tailor the messaging toward the recipient's behavior or engagement level. It's great for personalized outreach. Alternatively, if you're feeling inventive and want to build something truly customized, you might want to start from scratch. This option provides complete flexibility to craft your sequence exactly as you envision, step by step. Finally, if you'd prefer to utilize tried and tested strategies, consider starting with a pre-made sequence. Pre-made sequences offer templates for common outreach scenarios, giving you a solid foundation to build upon. They're perfect for those who are new to sequences or looking to save time. Once you've chosen your path, dive into editing. Populate your sequence with emails and tasks, set appropriate timings, and most importantly, always remember to save your work. And there you have it. You've learned how to navigate and set up HubSpot sequences, empowering your sales efforts to be more efficient and impactful. With automated outreach, you'll maintain consistent communication and allow your sales team to focus on what they do best: selling. Thank you for tuning in, and happy sequencing.